Hey everyone, welcome back. So at this point, the rig is in a state where I can actually take it for a spin. I attached the pedals, the wheel, the base. Motion is all ready. Now it's just a matter of adding all the peripherals slowly, doing some cable management, and all of that. But overall, I can do a race. I can start doing some testing, playing around with things. So for this video, what I'm planning to do is I'm going to show you guys the movement of the rig. There's not going to be no audio when I'm racing, so this way you can actually hear if the platform is going to be noisy, how quiet, so because someone may actually want to install this on the second floor. Somebody may want to be in an apartment. So it depends on what your situation is, and noise is one factor before you can make a decision. I did not make any changes in SimHub. It's the default settings, which I think it says 50% or something. I didn't do any changes in SimHub. I didn't tweak anything. So yeah, let's go ahead and take care of that. And if there's any special requests or any specific asks you guys have, you want me to do a video about, please let me know, and I will go ahead and do that. All right.